Ngiyabangena eMedia Hive ngoku. And I'm gonna have a shoot with Chef Skizzy, noZulu Makeba. So let's go.
Esithubeni with Ukwanele. Sure. Sinegama ngoku.
Sure, Chief.
We're gonna be using that name. Yeah, so let's go. Ngizakubolisela istory ngenye imini masifumane kanjani kubani. So let me know, like, is it a cool name okanye sisamelinye na, but I like it. This is Media Hive okanye Visual Impact. If ufuna istudio okanye like ukay equipment to shoot, come here, bro. Like they have everything ufuna.
I'm vlogging. Hi. How are you?
Nice to see you again, friend.
Good to see you. Shashes, bro.
Okay, uZelda nimgqibele kudala shey. Ngqibele kudala kwakuza apha Visual Impact. Okay, yeah. Okay, manasi studio. I won't lie, the studio is really cool. Like, it's dope. You can be like really creative. It's like very spacious. Yeah, well, you can bring your own backdrops, and the lightings are going in Swim. Yeah, well. We're shooting with the Sony A7S Mark III and the Aperture 300 and Ninilight 60. So now let's go. So Kaulalu Putika Yesu.
Hey, chef. What's kanjani? Hey, kumele kudala.
Yeah,
uphathisa nje.
Otherwise,
Shoshota.
vlogger
Ngiyavlogga lo.
bayazokhwela sadi ungazodlala lapha izinto ezingikhaxa amakhamera angishute dada wami bale exams
Excellent, yeah.
atsuba baphamba
Yeah.
bhala
Bro, how did you come up with this character, bro?
I always had that pocket, and it's the way about khula nazo, man.
Yeah.
So basically,
but we feel because I didn't know this character, like.
Yeah, because it's like it's not for everyone. That's the thing.
Yeah.
I'm very protective of it because I don't create content, you know?
Yeah.
That's my reality.
Yeah.
So I'm doing that's my reality. That's my life. The people I talk about is real people. It's real life.
Yeah.
Even I'm rated. So it's like I still think it's already been there, dog. So some other things, man, it's like they've been given to us and it's selling zipper.
Yeah.
So you can match the energy, but it's like it will never go. So I always knew, but like, I had this pocket, man.
Yeah.
But other than that,
Yeah, man. I'm just excited to meet you.
Yeah, it's Span. I'm always meeting a Span. So it's like, I'm going to Span. I'm going to Span.
Yeah.
Yo.
So what are we cooking, Namshanj?
Today, I don't want to say it yet, but we're doing some granola shit.
Yeah.
On some granola energy, man. Chef Skizzy is doing some things now.
Yeah.
So we're pushing Chef Skizzy. Budais is healthy.
Yeah.
Now it's time for Chef Skizzy to do the things that Chef Skizzy does. Yeah.
Sure.
And I know we are deeper now.
I hear you.
So yeah, basically, man, big stepping. Like I now about big stepping.
Hey, Tata.
So Chef Skizzy is time to big step now, man.
And I see, Jova, you're going to a professional studio.
Like professional. Like I saw studio in
He's on another level now.
It's different level, dog, guys. Different level. Oh, this is beautiful. The colors are well done.
Ne?
Yeah.
No, bro, I want like as a space, man. This span is saying, man.
Okay.
Because like this space, if it just call, but I think like our names, like they don't know. Okay, yeah, like singer Spanish.
What's the name of the studio?
Media Hive.
Media Hive.
Yeah.
Hela Media Hive. Pull up. Ibhadale. Ngiyazi nje yakuxhaxaza nje ndanazi ngonyoluka. Ngafuna ukhuphe imali ibhadale.
Jaya.
Ukubona lezo zincanca esiyo.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukhuphe imali. This is a nice area, bro.
Yeah, bro. So
ukhumsha apha fanele.
Angikwazi nokukhumsha ke mna. So nokukhumsha nina abantu abakwazi ukukhumsha.
Ukuba bange studio. I'm going to the studio. Yes, the studio for the studio. Yo, jonga ndiyanet. Yes. Studio. Ngikuphi studio? Hayi sifikile studio
Ah, nikwazi ukukhumsha mfethu.
ngiyayikwazi ukukhumsha le chair.
Manje ta. Uzocofa nawe ne. Hey, security salapha si-tight da. Ngena bangathi angena kule way ne then ucofe ke. Yeah.
Ngiyabambeka. Bese khathazela. Okay. Phakathi inside.
Siphakathi inside no. Yeah, we're going downstairs nje.
Okay, cool.
Ground floor vibes.
Siyezani?
Yeah.
If you want to come and create Studio Sabo, like Dutch man, like they have a really cool space. Like you can be really creative, because it's big man, like very spacious. So yeah.
I see there's agencies also.
Yeah, bro, there's a lot of things.
Adverts, you know.
Mabhatale wena nje ya.
So push up big business, yeah. You don't come here to play. Singabambe TV kakade umthetho wethu.
Yeah.
Senze bayo thusi lo nto singabambe izinto. Ayonto cha hayi. Sibona nawe mos.
Yeah, nje ya.
Sibonile ngabe gold t-shirt.
Except like uyadripa na xa upheka na fethu na like drip always.
Anytime.
Yeah. Yeah, ngena nje.
Anytime, any day. This is cool, bro. Yo, I got for you. What's going on?
Ah, ngangcola fethu.
Yo, ask a bucket. Bucket inside.
So ufuna sibone nekitcho kanye like soqala. Yeah, ngahamba fethu.
Okay.
Like ngiyazibonela
Do you want
na,
my-
like
like,
you can
friend
shoot a
body sketch
podcast,
kanye,
you can
like,
shoot a
scan
show,
it.
like you can shoot whatever, like whatever. So pull up, talk to me, let's work.
Nikazi, we made it. Yeah. Like a suit of pencil. Jesus, calm down.
Yeah.
We manifest.
Yeah, wait.